Talking about implementation of naive Bayes algorithm. Basically, machine learning is divided into three categories, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So naive Bayes algorithm is a part of supervised learning and mainly used for solving classification problem. So and naive Bayes is also based on Bayes theorem. You also study in the chapter probability. So further delay, we start implementation of naive Bayes. I am using Jupyter Notebook. You can also use Google Colab or other. I use Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, we import a libraries. First, I import Pandas as PD. Panda is used for data analysis, and then import NumPy as NP. NumPy is very useful for scientific computation, and Matplotlib is used for providing means it provide various kind of graphs like histogram, bar charts, etc. So we load it, and after that we import a dataset. I also provide the link of dataset in the description, or as well as this notebook. I also upload this file in the GitHub, and I also provide link of this. So I load the dataset. After I see wine.data, then it display the data, how data looks. Then after that we need to explore dataset. So we divide dataset into features and labels. Features are the mainly independent variables, means independent columns, and labels are dependent column which are dependent on features. So we import load this, and thus features are imported: alcohol, malic acid, ash, or labels. So from labels it means class 0, class 1, class 2. So it has three labels, matlab three categories. So after then we see the shape of the data, that how much column or rows in this data, and then there are 178 rows and 13 columns in the dataset. If you count in these in features, you can find that there is 13 columns. Remember that indexing start from 0. So then we print the first 5 data of the wine data. Then it will print the top 5 data of our dataset. If we want to print 10, then we simply type 0 to 10, and it will provide this 10 data. After that we print the wine labels. Labels is means we define that 0 is class 0, 1 is referred class 2, class 1, and 2 is refer for class 2. Then we print OK. Then it means 0 0 0, the top. Yeah, means till this the data, the labels are class for class 0. From this to this the label are defined as class 1, and after that the labels are class 2, the label of type class 2. Then we mainly import train test split. This is useful for distribute our dataset into train or test. So we S train, S test, Y train, Y test. Basically train is used for training the data set, and test is used for to test the data set and find the accuracy, that how well our algorithm is performed. Then test side 0.3 matlab means 70 out of 100, 70% are of train data set and 30% are test, and random state 0. Then we load it. Then after that we import a naive Bayes algorithm, Gaussian NB GNB equals to S train, Y train, and then predict. Then we load it. Then lastly we find the accuracy of our data, accuracy of our algorithm in the test data. Then from sklearn is a very useful library, most popular ML library for classical ML algorithm. it supports most of the supervised and unsupervised algorithm. So sklearn is very important library, and then we finally load that and see the accuracy. Okay, we get the accuracy around 90%, that is good. So we can predict, and the final accuracy we get is 90%. Thank you for watching, hope you like it. Thank you.